Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, thanks so much for your subscription. If you have not already subscribed, make sure that you click the link down below and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell because that'll make sure that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be talking about my Ipsy bag. It's going to be like unboxing slash kind of review because I have tried some of these products out and I'll let you know my thoughts on them. Ipsy is a $10 subscription service where they send you samples of items in the mail, makeup items, face items, hair items, whatever you pick on your quiz for you to try before you purchase a large version. I love this service. I've been using it for over a year now, and very rarely am I disappointed in the products that I receive. So if you would like to try Ipsy out, feel free to click the link that I'll be posted in the comments below and subscribe. It's awesome. It comes straight to your door every single month. So this month's theme is a travel theme. So every time you get an actual legit bag, which is so much better than Birchbox because I kept having all these boxes and not knowing what to do with them. But now I have these sweet little makeup bags that I can either give to friends or I put my essential oils in them when I travel. And it's super fun because I can tell what kind of oil it is based on the bag because that's just how I pack. So I'm gonna start off with a skincare item that I got in my bag. I have not tried this out yet. I am really excited to try it out though. And it is a mask. So the top part, it says it's a mild peeling finger pad. And the bottom part is a gel mask. So basically, from what I understand from the instructions that I read, I'm probably going to try it out on Friday night. I'm so excited. Get a night all to myself. So I'm going to take this with me to the hotel, and I'm going to probably exfoliate my face with this, put this mask on, and I'll let you guys know in the comments down below how it performed. So we'll see. The second item I got in the bag was a little mini beauty sponge. I don't know what the brand name is because I lost my little ticket that told me everything about it, but it's super squishy for its size. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I'm excited to see how it performs when it grows, but it's the perfect size to get right under the eyes. So it would definitely be great for concealer. I could not think of the word. You think on the amount of coffee I've had today that I would be able to think of words, but it would be perfect for concealer, cutting your contour if you want to do that. I use concealer to fix my line right here to make it super sharp, which I'm all about that sharp eyeshadow look. So we'll see how that works. Another item I got, there's 5 items in every single bag, so there's 3 more. I was stoked when I saw this in online that this is what we were getting. I have been dying to try the Huda Beauty lip contours and lipsticks and all of that stuff, but I just haven't been able to bite the bullet. This is like a $18 product right here, and I just couldn't justify spending that much on a lip liner, but I spent $10 for the month and I got it in my bag. So this right here is more than it costs for the entire bag. Everything else is gravy in regards of value that you get. So this is a very pretty pink color. We'll see if it shows up how pink it is. Excuse the lighting. It's windy out. Lights are hitting funny. Let me see. It's so creamy. And it ends up being like a really deep pinky mauve color. I actually have it on right now underneath my liquid lipstick from Bare Minerals in the color Wink. And this is a really, really pale nudie color. So it just added a little something extra just so you can see, like, that's how pale it is. And that's what I have on my lips right now. And the combo together is amazing. It's actually might be one of my new favorite combinations that I'll be using from now on. And the liquid liner, I almost said lipstick. The liquid liner is super creamy. It goes on, it stays put. I have worn it a couple times and it doesn't seem to bleed, which I love. And it lasts, which, I mean, what more can we ask for? Another thing I was excited to see was a eyeliner. I have gotten a couple of these in my Ipsy bags and I have loved them. They never budged, they stayed, they were easy to put on. However, this one is a new formula and it says it's waterproof. It's not. It does say it enhances the lashes and helps them grow, which for me, that's exciting. I like to have my lashes grow. They're super short. I've been working on growing them. It says it's really black. And I don't know. That doesn't seem super black to me. Like, am I crazy? Okay, that signed. That one did. But I have blacker items, and it just wasn't really easy to apply. And I really prefer a brush tip to these felt tips, and it smudged everywhere. I wore it, and it ended up all up here at the end of the night. And I was like, what's the point of wearing eyeliner that's supposed to stay put and to have it go up there? I could set it with a powder if I really wanted to, which I might end up doing because I can't find my favorite liquid liner, which is M Cosmetics. I got it in an Ipsy bag, and it's amazing. It's super black, stays put all day, highly recommend it, but I can't find it. So until I find it, I might end up just using this one. I did use gel liner today, and I love gel liner. It's so black, but it takes time to put on, and I happen to have the time today, and I don't always have the time, so this would be great. Just do a quick little thin line to be able to have my eyes kind of pop and stand out as I go out the door. But this was really just a so-so product to me. The last item I received is from Elizabeth Mott, and I have another one of her eyeshadows before that I've received previously, and I liked it a lot. This one is, they just come in like this little size. It's pretty tiny, but I mean, that's fine. And it is in this shade. It's called Mermaid Teal. And I love this color. Greens and purples and corals and peaches and pinks. I love those for spring and summer. So I am really wanting to try this out soon. But the color pigmentation isn't as nice as I thought. So it's a pretty color, and it'll be really nice and pretty and soft. But I thought the color payoff would be a lot better than that. So this is kind of a so-so product. I'll see how it performs. It might swatch beautifully on the eyes and end up looking a lot prettier than I think it's going to, but I'm not sure. So I'll let you know in the comments how this performs. I'm excited to try it because I love the color. It's a turquoise with like a hint of gold shimmer underneath, which is so pretty in the summer and in the spring. But to be honest, I was kind of disappointed with the color pigmentation that I kept trying out on my hand. So we'll see how that goes. And that's it. That's everything in my Ipsy bag. As I said, this one product right here paid for the entire bag. I could have bought this at Sephora for $20. No big deal. And then I wouldn't have gotten all the other products. And $20 is more than I spend on my Ipsy bag. So even though two of these products, not as excited and stoked about, it still paid for itself. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. And I want you guys to tell me, what is your favorite ice cream? It's getting into summer. I'm trying to try out new flavors. So let me know. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.